Hi, my name's Amy Johnson and I'm going to show you how to create a smooth and sleek look just like this. I'm going to start off using the firm smoothing brush. When using the brushes, I also like to use them on medium and medium, just so I've got a little bit more control. What I'm going to do is a wrap dry technique. You just brush through the hair, but you brush along your scalp, and that gives you a bit of volume and also helps smooth it at the same time. So you just want to keep changing the direction that you're brushing your hair, so it doesn't get set in one place, so I don't dry my parting in either. That means when I do put my parting in, I'll still have some volume even though it's a straight look. To get the back before it's all completely dry, I'm going to split it into those left and right sections, and then once the back's done, then I'll do my fringe. Just went under with the brush just to make sure that there's a bit of shape at the end. So now I need to sort my fringe and use the round volumizing brush, and I'm going to dry my fringe forward. The last step is to go in with our flyaway mode. You smooth it down, and what it's going to do is hide any shorter flyaways that are sticking out, tuck them in so it looks really, really smooth and silky. I like to do this on cold air and high flow. There you go. So using the brushes, you can create a really smooth, straighter look and hide any of those little flyaways that you might have sticking out on the top. And this is a really easy thing to do if you don't have a lot of time in the morning, or you just want something nice and straightforward for while you're out and about during the day.